So when I talk about food and how it affects the body and how your chemistry works, I used to be one that didn't care about what I ate. I just ate unconsciously, and it never dawned on me why I had digestive issues, why I felt awful all the time, why I was always tired even after 2 or 3 Red Bulls and some coffee, even after I took Adderall, things like that. But what I came to know is God gave us all this food on the earth, from the earth, for us to be able to resonate higher, to vibrate higher with. And there are literally what are called higher vibrational foods and lower vibrational foods. And I guarantee you this, give yourself 2 weeks of eating higher vibrational foods, even if they're substituted for 1-2 meals a day. And I guarantee you, if you continue the process of doing it, you will notice a substantial difference in your energy levels and your brain capacity and power. It will happen very fast. So what I wanted to talk about real quick is what are called angstroms, which are the way that the food vibrates with your body. It's a unit of measurement. And when you're looking at it, fresh fruits, vegetables, almonds, fresh eggs, white or green tea have anywhere from like 6,500 to 10,000 what are called angstroms. They are the highest vibrational foods. Your body digests them quickly. It will actually go through the digestive tract and nourish the good bacteria in you, making your brain feel better because your gut is like a second brain. And it will be processed in a way that you're not feeling so sluggish. You actually get energy from the foods. And what I will say about that is ever since I've been doing the fermented foods, fruits, and almonds diet, I have more energy than I've ever. I literally like sometimes can't believe that I go from 5 a.m. in the morning until like 10 at night without any problems and then sleep perfectly. And it all came from this food and the fasting. Intermittent fasting helps too. The second level of this is cooked vegetables, eggs that you buy from a store, fish, things like that. They are anywhere from like 3,000 to 6,000 angstroms, which are still fine. They're middle of the road type, I guess you could say. It is, again, that level unit of how your body processes it. And the way that they kind of interact is they usually stay in your system from about 5 hours to about 12 hours. So your body takes about 5 to 12 hours to digest them, where fruits and fresh fruit and vegetables, especially fruits, are about an hour and a half to 3. So your body digests that, it goes out, your body, you feel really good. And the lowest rung of that is things like processed sugars, processed foods, even meats like sausage, chicken. Even though chicken's not as bad, but it's still not great. Red meats. And the reason that is everybody's different. I understand that. But the reason you get more energy from these other type of foods that God gave us from the earth is because they naturally vibrate higher with your body and your DNA. So what I'm saying is, the other part about this is with the processed foods and the meats. Imagine if you took a steak. Any steaks a lot of time take 24 to 48 hours to get out of your system. Imagine if you took a steak into the summer heat, because that's basically what your body's temperature is, and just left it there for a day or two, what that would look like. And that's sitting in your body. Not only that, how do you know how that animal was killed? What if it was all tense and the energy was stuck in a tense energy and now you're absorbing that energy? So there is a map for you to be able to feel better and to get through sobriety even faster, because and easier when you eat better. You feel so sluggish and tired and you don't want to do things when you eat these awful foods. So that makes us be like, oh, okay, well, I'm here. I don't have anything to do. I'm eating like crap. I feel like crap. I'm going to go drink, or I'm going to go drug, whatever it may be. When you feel better, it's giving you a higher vibrational frequency to want to go do things. Try these foods just for 1 week. That's all I'm asking. 1 week. If you could do 2, that'd be awesome. But try 1 week of 1 or 2 meals substituting just fruits and vegetables. And it's not going to be the greatest at first because you're not used to it, but you will feel amazing, which then leads you to feeling other things. You can start to feel again. That's the big part of the raised element, the raised emotional state, is starting to feel again. Feel better. Be better. Try these foods. Look it up yourself. Look up fruits and vegetable digestion versus cooked vegetable digestion versus meats. And anywhere you want to look, it will show you how long the body takes to get out of there and why you feel so sluggish. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. Comment. Send me any other information down low in the comments about what might work for you. Because again, everybody's body is different. I get that. But I needed better foods. I needed fasting. And I needed a spiritual connection to be able to resonate with this type of information, because it didn't make sense to me before, but it now does. Love all you guys. Take care. I'll talk to you soon.